Today I'd like to speak to you about cosmetic eyelid surgery. This is an operation that is incredibly easy to do and can be performed under local anesthetic. And yet a lot of patients are afraid to have it done. Sometimes they think that they're going to look like they had an operation and they don't want to appear like some celebrity superstar. Well, I have to tell you, this is a very simple procedure, and if it's done well, there's no reason that anyone needs to know you had cosmetic surgery. So here's a patient who I did sometime in the last few years who complained that she had an awful lot of fat under and above her eyelids. Um, she, her leading complaint to me was the fat, but she was petrified that her friends and family would know that she had cosmetic surgery done. I think if you take a close look at her before and after photos here, you can see that she is dramatically improved. And I defy folks to show me where the incisions are, because frankly, I made the incisions and I can't find them. Here she is head on. And one of the reasons that this operation makes us look better, not only is the fatty tissue removed, but if you look closely, the distance between the area where the eyelids start and the beginning of the cheek is shortened in the post-operative photograph than it is in the pre-op. And that's because it's a sign of youth to have this distance be significantly shorter. Young people do not have this prolonged, drawn-out lower eyelid. Again, from the other side, you can see a nice difference. Again, the lower eyelid seems to be shortened. Now, in fact, it isn't, but the appearance is there as if it were. I have to mention something about this area here. The best solution for this wrinkle, frankly, is Botox, and this particular patient was not prepared to have Botox. But the eyelid surgery itself certainly went nicely, and one more time from the side view, if you look at the tremendous bulge that she had in the lower eyelids, that is completely removed, and to me, she appears much more refreshed and more youthful in the post-operative photograph. So once again, I have to tell you, these procedures can be done very safely under local anesthetic. You don't even need to have general anesthesia or to go to sleep. It's relatively inexpensive, and it's one of the key features that people look at when they have a conversation with you, is your eyes. So to me, a lot of folks want to have any number of procedures performed, but the eyelids is really the best bang for the buck, if you will. The general appearance of people who have had cosmetic eyelid surgery is not at all startling. I think that they can look, and generally do look, very natural. So I think it is a good procedure, and people who think that they are beginning to look older than they feel, if they are only prepared to maybe put their toe in the water in terms of cosmetic procedures, this is probably a very good one to start with.